as always, the central figure of the season, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Good evening, everybody. This is for the small people. Thank you to the Globe Soccer for this amazing award. For me, it's a big pleasure to see players, presidents, agents. It's great. It's a great night. As I say so many times, for me, this gala, it's one of my favorites, to be honest, because I see so many beautiful people, especially my wife, that is always there to support me, my kids, my parents, my teammates. It's hard to still continue to play, but the passion,